Hello, welcome to Geojit Spotlight. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced major reforms in the income tax slab for individuals in this year's budget. There are two tax regimes, but the vast majority, that is more than 95% of the population, chose the old regime as it has provision to avail tax deductions. But 2023 budget has given a clear priority to that new tax regime. It is very important that you understand which tax regime is better for you, the old scheme or the new scheme. Let me explain it for you in a very simple language. If your annual income is less than 7.5 lakhs rupees, after the standard deduction of 50,000 rupees allowed by the Income Tax Act for salaried earners, the taxable income is less than 7 lakhs rupees, then opt for the new scheme without any hesitation. Now, with the new budget announcement, you will not have to pay even a single rupee as tax if you opt for the new tax regime. But suppose your income is 10 lakhs rupees, after standard deduction of 50,000 rupees, the tax on the remaining amount will be rupees 52,500 under the new tax regime. At the same time, if you select the old tax regime, even if you get a deduction of rupees 1.5 lakhs under section 80C, you will have to pay rupees 72,500 as tax. Don't forget, you can get more deductions if you have home loan interest, health insurance taken in your own name for your parents, and NPS on your own. Then the old tax regime is better. Go for it. This will be applicable as your income increases. That is, if all the deductions allowed under the Income Tax Act are availed, then the old tax regime is better for you. Or else, the new scheme is better. Let me give one more example for this. A person with an annual income of rupees 15 lakhs, after the standard deduction of rupees 50,000, would have to pay tax of rupees 2,47,500 under the old tax regime if he does not avail any other deductions. If the same person opts for the new tax regime, the tax liability will be rupees 1,40,000. Now, if the same person fully avail the deduction of around rupees 5 lakhs available through 80C, home loan, medical insurance, NPS, etc., then his tax liability under the old scheme will be limited to rupees 1,12,500 only. For such a person, the old tax regime is better. To sum it up, number one, feel free to opt for the new scheme if you can bring the taxable income within rupees 7 lakhs. Number two, opt for the new scheme if you are unable to avail any deduction. And finally, number three, if you are able to avail all deductions in full, then continue with the old scheme. Thank you very much.